Sai Jagan, welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I to unbox the Bluetooth wireless neckband earphones from the Dijo. Yes friends, these are exact earphones which I did order, as you can see here. So let's see how is the box packaging contents, and I'll try to give the review about this one after using for maybe 1 or 2 days. So make sure to stay tuned in case if you plan to buy this neckband wireless earbuds. So make sure to let me know in the comment section below. I can definitely make the videos on this product as soon as possible in case if you plan to buy it. So let me need to take out the box which is here. So this is a Dijo wireless buds. As you can see, this is a box. It's kind of same kind of design from the Mevi. So it's the same kind of Mevi as well. I think both. So I did order the Mevi color flash as well for the 999 rupees. I'll try to compare the quality, sound quality, everything with those. So but let's talk about this the box quality and everything. So this is a complete package, and here do we get the basic specifications about the earbuds. So what is the driver? As you can see, 11.2 mm. That's a really good bass effect. I need to test this kind of sound quality as well. And 17 hours of battery, that's another good advantage. And magnetic instant connection as well, and 88 low seconds. As you can see, low latency as well. That's another good thing. And 10 minutes for the 120 minutes of playback. So all these details I'll try to test individual friends, but let's see in the package what are the box what kind of power package will be there. Is there any kind of charging included or not? And here tips and all those details I'll try to exactly show you in this video. And recently I started to do this kind of Bluetooth earbuds review as well in my channel, because a lot of users, they did ask me, can you please buy the Bluetooth earbuds neck band? So which Bluetooth earbud is best for which phone? That is the reason I thought of buying all this kind of Bluetooth neck bands at this moment. I don't know to exactly open everything. Let's see what will the box content, how it looks. So it's neatly packed, not bad. And is a Bluetooth, we should be able to see it. So which is on the back side. So here's the Bluetooth. As you can see, it's the color black color which I did order. There are a couple of other colors as well, but this Bluetooth wireless neckband I did order for my father, so they do like only black color, not any other color. This one, so which looks kind of really good, not bad. And let's check what are the other things we did get in the box. So we do have this kind of small papers, and there's a charging cable which is a white color, but this is a black color, that's no problem. And here we do have the tips as well, some ear tips, as you can see. So overall we do get, I think, 3 pairs of tips. That's the thing. Let me know to keep everything aside. So this is the complete details about the Dijo wireless earbuds, and this is my first product from the Dijo as well. So let's see, I'm really interested to use this kind of thing and to test how is the sound quality, and how is the connectivity, and how is the battery life. Even I'll try to do the gaming test. So mainly I'll try to do the gaming test. Even I do have the Realme Buds Q2 as well with me. I'll try to compare both in terms of the quality, sound quality, and in terms of the gaming latency, which is kind of based in the gaming. So make sure to stay tuned for more updates on this on this Dijo wireless buds. In case if you have any kind of specific questions about this one, so let me know in the comment section below. I'll definitely be able to help you out. So thank you for watching this video, friends. I'll be back with another video on the explaining how to pair and what are the features we do get using the Realme Link application. I'll try to explain you clearly each and everything. And so far the quality looks really great between these ones. And thank you for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to check the links in description. And one good thing is that this is the Type-C one. That's a fantastic. So that's the Type-C, which is a really advantage in these earbuds. And see you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. So on this wireless headset as well. And see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.